How to manage your calendar availability for your listing or Airbnb. Well, the best way to manage your bookings and avoid cancellations is to keep your calendar up to date. You can mark nights as available or blocked so your availability is clear to guests when they are interested in your listing. So you want to switch to your host account on Airbnb on airbnb.com/hosting and make sure you're logged in. Then you'll find the calendar tab. You can click on calendar tab and you can proceed to manage your calendar tab. Now, unfortunately, in my case, I have not added any listing, so it is asking me to finish my listing up here. But once you're on the calendar tab, you'll be able to manage your calendar. If you want a more detailed on how you can manage your calendar, you can head over to your browser and search in for manage your calendar Airbnb. Now, since there are lots of available options, this Airbnb official web portal will help you on managing your calendar, how you can link calendars for multiple Airbnb listings, how you can sync your home host calendar to other websites, how you can update your host calendar, how you can host unpopular dates, and such. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.